In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the quota of a file share in Microsoft Azure. If you're managing storage quotas and need to adjust the size of a file share, you're in the right place. Let's walk through these steps together, ensuring you understand each action and its purpose. First, you'll want to make your way to the Azure portal. This is where all the magic happens, and it's an essential platform for managing your cloud resources. Once you've logged in, locate your storage account. This particular account is where the file share you wish to modify is hosted. It might take a moment to get there if you've got several accounts, but don't worry, patience is key. With the correct storage account in view, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Data Storage. When you click this, a sub-menu should pop up, revealing various storage types. What we're interested in today is file shares, so go ahead and select File Shares. This will display all the file shares associated with your selected storage account. As you browse through your list of file shares, find the one whose quota you intend to change. Once you've located it, give it a click. This will bring up the File Shares Overview pane, a page filled with all sorts of useful information about your file share's current settings and usage metrics. On this overview pane, look for the option that says Edit Quota, or sometimes just an Edit button near the provisioned size. This is what allows us to change the amount of storage allocated to this particular file share. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the Quota dialog. The dialog is essentially your control panel for resizing the file share. Here, you have the opportunity to specify the new quota size. For instance, if you're currently set at 100 GB and you need more room, you might want to increase it to 500 GB. Alternatively, if Azure supports it for your account, there may be an option to Set to Maximum, which automatically adjusts the quota to the largest size permitted by your Azure subscription. After entering your desired changes, the next step is to confirm them. Simply click the Save or OK button. This will apply the change and update the file share's maximum size to reflect your new quota. Congratulations, you've done it. Remember, changing quotas requires careful consideration, especially in production environments, to avoid overloading your resources or incurring unexpected costs. Thank you for following along. And now you should have the know-how to adjust file share quotas in Microsoft Azure confidently.